Good morning, class. Today we are discussing about the chapter of straight lines and the exercise 11.7. The question number 1 is write the equation of the line through origin and parallel to the line 4x minus 7y plus 13 is equals to 0. Now equation of line given by 4x minus 7y plus 13 is equals to 0. Let equation of line parallel to the given line be 4x minus 7y plus 13 in the place of 13. It means in the place of constant term we have to write another constant k and it is equals to 0. Let us consider this is the first equation. Again, equation passes through origin means 0, 0. Now the equation of the line passes from the origin. It means the coordinates of origin 0, 0 satisfying the equation 1. Therefore 4 into 0 minus 7 into 0 plus k is equals to 0. After solving we get 0 minus 0 plus k is equals to 0. Now k is equals to 0. Here we have to obtaining the value of k is equals to 0. This value k is equals to 0 putting in equation 1, then we have to find the required equation of line. Therefore required equation of line 4x minus 7y, substituting the value of k is equals to 0. Therefore final answer is 4x minus 7y is equals to 0. This is the first question of exercise 11.7. After all, second part of the question number 1, write the equation of the line through origin and perpendicular to the line 5x minus 3y plus 17 is equals to 0. Now second part of the question is equation of line given by 5x minus 3y plus 17 is equals to 0. Again the given line is perpendicular and passing through the point of origin. Let here the slope of the given line m1 is equals to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Then m1 is equals to minus coefficient of x is 5 and coefficient of y will be minus 3. Therefore, m1 is equals to 5 by 3. And condition of perpendicular condition of perpendicular is m1 m2 is equals to minus 1. Now substituting the value of m1 is here, then we get 5 by 3 multiplied by m2 is equals to minus 1. After solving this, then we get m2 is equals to minus 3 upon 5. Now required equation of line is y minus y1 m x minus x1. M is m2 because we are to finding a perpendicular equation of the line which is perpendicular to this and passing through the point of origin. Then the coordinate of origin is x1 y1 is 0, 0. Now putting the value of y minus y1 is equals to 0 and slope of m2 the value is minus 3 by 5 and x minus 0. Now y is equals to minus 3 upon 5 x. Now final answer is 5y is equals to minus 3x. This is may be written in the form of 3x minus 5y is equals to 0. This is the required equation of line which is perpendicular to this line and passing through the point of origin.